अगर आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सीखना चाहते हैं या आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं या आप क्यूरियस हैं कि सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स कैसे वर्क करती हैं या फेशियल रिकग्निशन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ फेशियल डिटेक्शन रिकग्निशन इन आवर डेली लाइफ। हमने अभी रिसेंटली देखा कि टेस्ला ने सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स लॉन्च की हैं, एमजी की बहुत सी गाड़ियों में सेल्फ ड्राइविंग सिस्टम है, सेल्फ पार्किंग सिस्टम है। हाउ डज इट ऑल ऑपरेट्स, व्हाट इज़ द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट, व्हाट इज़ द बेसिक बिहाइंड इट, और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से कैसे ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि machines are actually taking the decision on the behalf of humans. So this is what you will actually learn, all those basics about artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence is working primarily in the present, and also artificial intelligence is the future for us. We are bringing a one-day workshop on artificial intelligence in which you will actually learn all those basics about artificial intelligence and how it is actually just changing the whole direction of our lives and actually eliminating the role of human effort to the massive extent. And all these things you will actually be learning from the real-world application developers who are developing the applications on artificial intelligence from a considerable longer period of time. This is the knowledge, this is a skill that we just need to learn from the very basic. Don't worry, अगर आपके पास ज़ीरो नॉलेज है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में, अगर आपके पास ज़ीरो नॉलेज है मशीन लर्निंग के बारे में, we will actually be taking you from the scratch towards that how these things are actually going to be developed and how these things are actually working in the real world. So it's going to be one day that you will be spending with us. You will get the refreshment inside and also you will get the certification at the end of that workshop. So once you just walk out of that workshop, you will actually be knowing all those basic things about artificial intelligence and how it actually operates and how it is actually just changing our whole life. All you just need to do is to just fill out the form down there, submit the basic information, and just enroll as soon as possible. Just register, book your seat as soon as possible before it gets too late and you actually just don't get a seat available at that.